Hello everyone, Shippy Gordon from UK Locksport. I wait to line up a third video, which is a Kasp 140/40. I'm really getting into these aluminium shackle locks. I just like the feel of them and the weight of them. Here's a key here, you can see it open. Right, and let's have a go at this. I'll go in that. Right, pin one. Get a little turn on the core, same for two. 3 is also binding, and a little bit of counter rotation, so I'll stay there. 3, 4 as well. I'm trying to get on 5, I'll come back out and go in again. Okay, coming back to 1. Nothing on 1. We click on 2. Trying to get on 3. The angle of the camera and the vice isn't helping that, but I'll try my best. 3, moving on 4, 4, and 5 is being a dick. Oh, and there we go. And that's probably the fastest I've done it. So I'm well happy with that on camera as well. Cheers folks.